Hey dear Aries, welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. I hope you are doing well in your love life and overall in your life, and I'm here. I'm back with your November reading. So this is your reading regarding your love life for the sign of Aries. So I have already shuffled cards and pulled them out and took some clarify for them because I have done reading before. So I will give you reading in your language. So first card, it's like I'm doing this time first half, third half, and second half and third half of the November. First 10 days, middle 10 days, and last 10 days of November. So for the first 10 days, your card came up as Hierophant, and I clarify this Hierophant card with the 10 of Cups, 7 of Wands, and 4 of Cups. So here you are getting, if you are single, you can get a marriage proposal from someone whom you are defending for so long, and you are busy in your works and businesses. So that's why. But now you are ready to get this proposal for yourself, or your person, if that person was busy in their, or maybe you got the proposal from your workplace and you were defending the yourself, or you are uh, stopping this proposal to come into your life. Now you are ready to get this proposal, or maybe someone will offer you some kind of proposal. The person who was defending themselves from you, that person is now offering you a proposal which is giving you happiness and stability in love life. Or it's like if you are already in a love relationship and your person was not ready to in first 10 days of November, you were feeling that your person is not ready to give you a marriage proposal. They are not interested, they are defending themselves from to get in a solid commitment offer. So because of their work, they were busy into collect their finances in month of first 10 days of November. So now this person, it's like this person is not ready in first half of the first 10 days of November, but you want stability and a stable marriage relationship in your love life. Now in middle of the month, middle 10 days of the month, you get the 9 of Pentacles, and I clarify this 9 of Pentacles with the Page of Wands, the Hermit, and the Strength card. Maybe you are dealing with the earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or it can be a water sign, because underneath the deck you have 10 of Swords, Queen of Cups, 6 of Swords, 9 of Swords, and the Ace of Swords. So lot of painful cards are here. Maybe you are taking control of your emotions and you want to come out from this betrayal and this painful situation. You want to balance your emotions, and you want to go from tumultuous water to a calmer water in your love life to avoid this anxiety now. And you want some new communication with your partner. Maybe you want a solid commitment, clear cut communication to avoid this painful situation in your love life. So maybe you are dealing with a air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or maybe you are dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. But I'm seeing the strong earth sign here. So you are dealing with the earth sign, maybe Virgo, because the hermit is here. So if you your partner is not giving you a commitment and they are not interested in the marriage partner, so you will decide to move on and be a single in your love life in middle 10 days of November, you will take a decision, a strong decision here, and you will get a news from your partner, um, or you will give a news to your partner that you have made a strong decision and wise decision, a strong and wise decision to be a single here in middle 10 days of November. Or if not a single, or if you are already married, and if you have some issues in your married life, your partner is not giving you time because of their work or because of their family, some kind of family interference in your love life, so your partner will take a decision to be a separate living situation with you. So this news will give you excitement because it's a wise and strong decision from your partner. So this can be um, a situation that your partner is becoming financially strong and independent on their own, so that they can give you a proposal, what kind of proposal you wanted from them, or you are ready to give them a proposal. So, or if it's a not resonates, and it can be totally separation from the person because this person is not giving you a marriage proposal here. So in last 10 days of November, I'm seeing you are very much happy and celebrating something. Maybe you are celebrating this news that your partner is now self-sufficient in finances and they are ready to commit. So you this reuniting situation giving you some happiness here, but your partner is doing something behind the scenes, or maybe some people are gossiping about you. Maybe your partner is doing something secretively here to take this responsibilities, because after becoming self-sufficient, self-dependent, you will have some responsibilities over your shoulders, or you have to be take control of this relationship and do some kind of strategic planning to make this relationship stronger and reuniting with your partner. um, and underneath the deck of the clarification deck, you have the Chariot. Or if it's a relation, if it's a situation in which you are totally separating from your person. Now in the end of November, last 10 days of November, you are celebrating with your family and friends. You are spending more time with your family and friends to avoid this sneaky behavior of your partner, controlling behavior of your partner, and this tiredness. To avoid these things, you will spend time with your friends and family to avoid these worries and painful situation which is giving you by your partner to you. Or if your partner is ready to give you commitment, so you will celebrating that you will have responsibilities whatever you wanted from your person. So, and you people are reuniting again. So Aries, that's what you're reading for the month of November. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in a comment below. Like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.